Let's see how to set up Password Protect on your Microsoft Word document. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you want to secure the contents of this document so that only you can access it. So what you can do is set up a password so that whenever you try to open the document, it will ask for the password before allowing you to enter and see the contents of that document. So to do that, click on the File tab right here. Now click on Info. And right here, click on Protect Document, which will open up a drop-down list. Now, in this drop-down list, click on Encrypt with Password. And here you can set up your password. And as you can see right here, the document is now protected with a password. And that is how you set up a password on a Microsoft Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.